Callouts are a great way to emphasize a specific point within your content. To be honest, I've often struggled to design them effectively. Should I place text directly on top of my content? Or use the default storyline callouts? Or just use something else entirely different? So, while browsing online, I came across various options, and this type from Adobe stock is the one I settled on. It has a techie look and feel, but I wanted motion, something that animates in and out. And this is what we came up with. Let's preview these guys. A pack of 9 cool animated callouts as I had envisioned. And all done in storyline. They kinda resemble APNGs or some animated GIFs. Better believe it, just some clever animation timing tricks. Again, for the sake of engagement, fun, and motion, I will use these guys any time of the day, because they are elegant and simple to use on your slide. And here's the use case I shared at the start of this tutorial. Let me show you. You see, non-intrusive, nicely placed, does its quick call out, not messy or crowding my slide. I love it. And as seamlessly as it appeared, it animates out. So, animation in and animation out. Under the hood and storyline, you will see the simplicity we have used here. I'm gonna zoom in, or maybe let me pop this timeline out. First, show you the layer setups. So from here to the bottom is the main slide content, text, image, shapes, stuff like that. And then from here upwards is the call out. I'm gonna move this to the side, show you the animations added. They are all really a timing and motion mix. So here, you can see we are using a mix of motion paths and animation in and out effects. Then these other ones are just in and out animation effects. See? That's how this call out over here works. That does it for the motion we used. Now, one last thing I'm going to show you on this call out here is some adjustments you can make in the timeline to tweak it the way you want. Pulling these out like so pretty much extends the duration of the call out. Just make sure you select all of them. Another thing you can do is select all the call out layers, group them. I'm going to call this group call out. And now you have the ability to position the callout anywhere you like. In addition, you can also scale it down. Maybe you just want a smaller version of what we have here. Let me just put it up over here. One downside of scaling is that it distorts the text length. So simply open the callout group and make the width adjustments needed. Also, the positioning is off, and I'm gonna move this down a bit. Okay, I think these little tweaks should do it. So, that is your callout and the edits you can make in the timeline. If you think these callouts can be infused in your workflow, hey, why not head out to CraftUXD.com and make them your own? Until later, thank you.